Daj reč kaj po švedsko, pa uporab čuj.
Vad ska vi göra idag, Joey?
Kaj si to rekla?
Kaj bomo danes delala, Joey?
Ti bi lahko to upeljala na švedsko.
Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fourth, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overdrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love, it's how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not the one who's seen the light. It's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah,
Super. Maja, kje je bila tole?
hallelujah.